Most people are in this lane called conformance. It's easy to conform to what everyone else is doing. It's safer to conform to what everyone else is doing. It becomes the norm. When conformance becomes the norm, then all one has to do is control conformance, and then you control all of these people that are conforming. The problem with the people who like to control conformance is that's why they do all of these audits and metrics to see how much control do we have over the population, because most of the people are conforming. And when that's a high number, the powers that be feel good. We know the direction that people are going, we know what they're thinking, we know what they're capable of. The outliers are the creatives.
People don't stand up and protect their dreams. People are too scared of getting, spoofed in a way. And the irony of it is so many people that are creatives. Think about a creative person in school. When you picture them, you probably picture them all the way in the back of the class, sketching or maybe getting beat up. And I'm the one creative, and this is the reason why I went on stage. This is the reason why I did this, because creatives have got beat up my entire life.